The first pose for the day is Sukhasana. Sit with straight leg position. Then slowly fold your left leg and place it on the inner thigh. And gradually fold your right leg and wrap it around your left foot. Now hold the Jnana Mudra position and keep your back straight. See that you always look forward and then gradually close your eyes. Remember, this is an pose which can be performed for more than 2 minutes. Initially practice for 20 seconds and relax the pose. Always remember, you cannot bend forward or backward. Always keep your back erect and straight. See that you look in front and then gradually close your eyes. In this pose, you may inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Then gradually release a pose by releasing one leg at a time and relax yourself in straight leg position. Is Ardha Padmasana. Straight with forward leg position. Fold your right leg and place it over your left thigh, and then gradually fold your left leg and place it under your right leg. Get yourself into a comfortable position and take Jnana Mudra, place it on your thighs and gradually close your eyes. This pose is highly beneficial for various other pranayamas also and can be held for at least 30 to 40 seconds and can slowly improve your time and go up to 20 minutes also. Do not fold yourself forward when you are practicing this pose. Keep your back straight and do not curl it backward. Then slowly release your one leg at a time. Relax yourself and gradually hold the pose from the other leg, that is left leg going up and then the right leg going down. Again take the Jnana Mudra and stand back straight and close your eyes. This pose is concerned, you need to inhale deeply and exhale deeply when you come into the final position until you hold the pose. Now gently and slowly relax your leg one by one and get into the forward leg position. The last pose for the day is Padmasana. Again, straight with forward leg position and gradually fold your left leg and place it over your right thigh. Then again fold your right leg and place it over your left thigh. Get yourself into comfortable position. Take Jnana Mudra and place it over your thighs. Relax yourself. Do take deep breath, inhaling and exhaling. Hold this pose for at least 2 minutes and gradually relax yourself by releasing one leg at a time. That is, first release your right leg and then release your left leg. Now you need to do this pose on the other side, wherein your right leg will be folded first and then gradually left leg will be folded later on. Get yourself into comfortable position, take Jnana Mudra, close your eyes and again inhale and exhale deeply. Do not curl your neck forward or backward, always keep it straight. Once again, do not curl your back, keep it erect. Again, this pose needs to be done for at least 2 minutes. Slowly relax yourself by releasing one leg at a time. After you finish practicing, Stretch your toes forward and backward, or rotate it all around, and then relax yourself.